These 4 simple pimple solutions will change your skin game forever. To squeeze or not to squeeze, that is the question when it comes to pimples. However, popping, squeezing or picking is not the solution if you want to treat them red and bulbous pimples. Apart from following a thorough skincare routine, it is also important to follow a healthy lifestyle, which includes eating right, removing all your makeup before hitting the bed, and drinking enough water throughout the day. Apart from making these basic but crucial lifestyle changes, you can also trust some natural ingredients to be foolproof solutions for pimples. In fact, you'll be happy to know that natural remedies are some of the best pimple solutions. Ingredients from your kitchen shelves not only treat pimples effectively but also leave your skin with a radiant glow. Here are 4 most effective pimple solutions you need to incorporate in your skincare regimen. Pimple solution number 1: aloe vera. Pimple solution number 2: witch hazel. Pimple solution number 3: tea tree oil. Pimple solution number 4: ice. Pimple solution number 1: aloe vera. Aloe vera, a skin-loving ingredient that can help prevent pimples and also treat existing pimples on face. Aloe gel is loaded with active components such as vitamins, minerals, enzymes, saponins, amino and salicylic acids, and sugars that offer a host of skin benefits. It contains anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic and antiviral properties that helps treat skin concerns such as inflammation, redness, breakouts, and also makes for the ultimate solution for acne. Here are 3 different ways to use aloe vera to treat pimples. Pure aloe gel. Use a fresh aloe leaf to scoop out the gel using a spoon. Take 1 tablespoon of the extracted aloe vera gel and apply it on your face, focusing on the affected areas. Let the gel sit on your face overnight and rinse it off with cold water the next morning. Repeat this every night until the lesions heal completely. Aloe vera plus lemon juice. Mix together 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 1/4 tablespoon lemon juice. Apply the mixture all over your face or simply on the affected areas. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before washing off with lukewarm water. While on one hand, the citric acid present in lemon helps reduce sebum production, its antiseptic qualities on the other kill bacteria that leads to pimples. Aloe vera plus apple cider vinegar. In a bowl, mix 1½ teaspoons apple cider vinegar and water each. Add 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel to the bowl and mix well. Take a cotton swab, dip it into the mixture and apply it on the affected areas firmly. Let the mixture sit on your face for 15–20 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. Apple cider vinegar is known to kill pimple-causing bacteria, and when mixed with aloe gel, it makes for a perfect pimple solution. Pimple solution number 2: witch hazel is a natural pimple solution and a magical ingredient you didn't know your skin needed. From healing wounds and treating pimples to preventing itches and rashes, witch hazel has a number of skin benefits. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and its soothing properties treat pimples on face. And that's not all. Witch hazel also works as a hydrating moisturizer that keeps excessive dryness at bay. There are 3 different ways to use witch hazel for pimples. Witch hazel plus honey. Mix together 1 teaspoon witch hazel extract and 2 teaspoons honey. If you don't have honey, you can also switch it with 1 egg white. Apply the pack all over your face or simply on the affected areas. Leave it on for 15–20 minutes before washing off with lukewarm water. Witch hazel and honey together work as the perfect anti-inflammatory mask. Witch hazel. Cleanse your face using a mild cleanser and pat your skin dry. Now, soak a cotton pad in witch hazel and wipe the pad across your face, paying attention to the affected areas. Let it dry naturally, and once it is dry, follow it up with a face serum or moisturizer. Witch hazel alone not only works as an excellent everyday toner but also as a great pimple solution. Witch hazel plus aloe vera. In a bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon witch hazel and aloe gel each. Spread the mixture on your face and give your face a gentle massage using small circular motions. Let the mixture dry naturally and avoid washing your face after. Witch hazel and aloe vera gel together work as a cooling gel for your facial skin and at the same time help treat pimples on face. Pimple solution number 3: tea tree oil. Macadamia tree oil, one of the staples in your DIY arsenal, as it can prove to be the most effective pimple solution. How do you ask? Firstly, tea tree oil's antimicrobial properties protect the skin from harmful bacteria. Secondly, its antiseptic properties reduce excess oiliness, especially on the T-zone, cheeks, and forehead. And lastly, its anti-inflammatory properties soothe skin and reduces swelling. Here are 3 different ways to use tea tree oil for pimples. Pure tea tree oil. Take a Q-tip or cotton pad and pour 1 or 2 drops of tea tree essential oil on it. Apply it directly onto the pimples very gently. Avoid rubbing vigorously. Leave it on overnight and wash off the next day with cold water. Repeat this once in 2 days for effective results. If your skin stings really bad by applying tea tree directly onto the lesions, then use concentrated tea tree oil. Tea tree oil plus baking soda. Mix together 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil and 1 teaspoon jojoba oil. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda and some water to the mixture. Apply the paste to the affected areas and let it dry. Rinse with lukewarm water after about 5 minutes. Repeat this every alternate night for visible results. Tea tree oil plus lavender oil. Mix together 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil and tea tree oil each. Pour the mixture in a small bottle and shake well before using it. Dip a Q-tip in the bottle and dab it gently on the affected areas. Leave it on overnight and wash off with a mild cleanser the next morning. Pimple solution number 4. Ice. Using ice is the easiest and most convenient solution to try at home. Ice soothes redness, reduces inflammations, and makes your pimples disappear magically. And that's not all. Ice pack helps tighten the pores, which in turn does not allow bacteria and other irritants to clog your pores. Ice gives relief from papules, nodules, pustules, and cysts. Here are 3 different ways to use ice for pimples. Ice pack. You can either wrap a bunch of ice cubes in a towel or a single ice cube in a cotton cloth. Rub it on the affected area for 10 minutes at a stretch. Take a break for 3-5 minutes and reapply. However, make sure you never rub ice on your skin for more than 20 minutes. Ice cold water. If the pimples on your face are mild, you can skip ice cubes and instead just splash ice cold water on your face every morning and evening. And cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser twice a day to keep your skin clean. Lemon juice plus tomato juice. Mix together a few drops of lemon and tomato juice and some water and freeze the mixture. Rub the ice cube on the affected areas and let it dry. As tomatoes are rich in vitamin A, C, and K, they help clear up pimples. Green tea ice cubes too make for an effective solution. Thanks for watching.